and any time now it will become law. We in Azimio, we in ODM fought it as much as we could at every stage. At the first reading, we fought it. At the second reading, we spoke against it. At the third reading, we voted 6 times against it. But they used their numbers to pass it. They used their numbers against the interest of the ordinary Kenyan, because they are using what they believe is a tyranny of numbers in the National Assembly. I told them then, and I'm reminding them now, that Parliament exercises delegated authority under Article 1 of the Constitution. The ultimate authority lies with the people of Kenya. And as a delegatee of authority, if you abuse that authority, then the person who gave you that authority has the final say. It is not the end of the road yet. We still have 2 more options. The first option we have, and we are exploring it, is the option of testing the legality and the legitimacy of that finance bill in court. We are already in court. I was there yesterday. We are back again there on Monday, and the court will tell us whether that finance bill is legitimate and legal or not. So those who are celebrating, they better withhold their celebration. But beyond court, because the court also only exercises delegated authority from the people, the ultimate say lies with the people. And that is why